Did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward? Their unique ball and socket shoulder joints allow their wings to rotate 180 degrees in all directions. This incredible agility lets them hover in place, fly sideways, and even upside down. Their amazing flying skills help them efficiently feed on nectar from flowers, making them one of nature's most fascinating flyers. So, next time you see a hummingbird, remember their extraordinary flying abilities that set them apart from all other birds.